sounds like crap, boys. I think the old Cosby and a Kim pissed her off a little bit. You know what? Actually, I think she's just fine. Oh, GM certified battery cover. Fucking man. Oh, I think she's alright. See, little Cosby doesn't hurt him. Go back inside here. Chuck that down there, you don't need that. Charge it. Gotta get oil pressure. Yeah, that's not accurate. Alright, she's fucking mint, boys. Let's see how she likes the old good foot from inside. Do not try that shit at home, kids. Most people's 6.2s won't hold up to that shit, but mine's always do.